Rick's Neighborhood Park Renovation. The project intent for Rick's Neighborhood Park is to create a walkway through the park from Seneca Loop at the south end to Valpey Park Avenue at the north end. Improvements include a 10-foot wide sidewalk with irrigation and planting improvements. Additional improvements include relocating the basketball court closer to Seneca Park Loop, which is currently funded through an existing PWC. Past improvements that have occurred at Rick's Neighborhood Park are the addition of park signs at the main entry points, as seen here, and playground improvements and upgrades that were done between 2012 and 2014. This view from Everglades Park Drive, looking north towards Valpey Park Avenue. Note an existing undeveloped pathway to the left side of this space. This is part of the proposed scope of work. This is a 180-degree view of the space between Valpey Park Ave and Everglades Park Drive. This includes many mature trees and open passive lawn area. This is a 180-degree view from the middle of Rick's Park, looking north towards Everglades Park Avenue and south to Seneca Park Loop, which includes the undeveloped pathway as seen here, and passive lawn area and many mature trees. This is a view from Seneca Park Loop north toward the existing basketball court. Note the existing park sign recently installed. This is the proposed relocation area for the basketball court and entry point for future pathway improvements.